In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a hole onto your model in Bambu Studio Slicer. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your model right here. So in my case, I'm just going to disable some few settings, which is going to be the support option. Now it doesn't really matter whether you enable this or not, but from here, you simply want to right click on your highlighted model. You want to click on the add negative shape. And most likely, if you're applying a hole, you then want to select the cylinder option. Of course, you can customize your hole the way you want to. For example, if you want to make it bigger, you are free to do so. But in my case, I'm just going to make it a bit smaller by choosing the scale option, which is going to be this one. And then I want to make it this big. And basically from there, of course, you now have the ability to apply the shape by pressing on the slice plate option, which will then apply the hole onto our model. But before that, I want to apply it above my model right here, just going to be above its head. But the most important thing on this edit is going to be making sure that they collide with each other. So in my case, I've made it this way. The last thing to do now is to click on the slice plate option, and then it will apply the hole that we have made. And basically from there, you are good to go. As you can see, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.